In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make $100 or more from YouTube without creating any videos. What's going on YouTube? Andrew Monham here, back with another video for you guys, and as I said before, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make $100 per day or more, like I said, just from YouTube without actually creating your own videos. And this is not using Creative Commons. I know that's probably what you guys are thinking. If you have heard of that strategy, you're probably thinking I'm just gonna go tell you to download Creative Commons videos and re-upload them, but this is a completely different strategy that works really well as well. So I'm going to be showing you guys that in today's video. Real quick before we get into it, I wanted to announce the 4 winners for the past 4 videos of the YouTube passive income course. So I will put the winners here. Okay, and if you guys want to win yourself, all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and drop a comment on this video, and in tomorrow's video I will pick the winner from this video and you will get my YouTube passive income course completely free. So if you guys do want that course, be sure to drop a comment down below to be entered into, you know, the giveaway or whatever. If you guys are new to the channel and you want to learn how to make money online, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you guys do get good value from this video, be sure to hit that like button. And without further ado, let's get into the strategy. Alright everyone, so we're now inside my computer and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this really cool strategy. Like I said, this isn't using Creative Commons or anything like that, right? Because I feel like that's been shown so much on YouTube. I wanted to give you guys something new and of value, right? So this is a completely new strategy. Make sure you guys watch this video all the way through so you know how to correctly do this, or else if you don't, you may miss something that could be essential to your success. So you know, make sure you pay attention, and without further ado, let's get into it. So what you want to do is I have 2 websites for you. The first is videasy.com and the second is pexels.com, okay? And on these websites you can get free stock footage, right? And you know, throughout this video I'm going to show you the type of videos to create, how to create them, and so on and so forth, and how to create actually viral videos from these, right? Because it's not enough to just upload stock footage on YouTube. You actually have to do something with it, but I will be showing you guys that a little bit later in the video, right? So whatever niche you're in or your channel, these websites have free stock footage you can download, and then kind of make a compilation of stock footage, right? So let's go with the fitness niche, right? So we'll just search fitness, and then it will take us to the fitness section, and you can see they have 52 free fitness videos. So just on this website we have 52 videos we can download, and we'll see how many this one has. I'm sure this one has a lot as well. Fitness, I don't know if this one says the amount, but you can see there are a good amount of videos here. They range in length, but all of these videos are copyright free, so like you can use all of this 28-second one, and you know, some of these are like 20 seconds and stuff. You can use the whole video and not get copyrighted, so that's really cool. You can see there's tons and tons of videos on here, enough to definitely make a lot of videos with, right? So you can use these 2 resources to make videos. So what I'm going to do, I actually like this website a little bit better, so I'm just going to go ahead and download some of these videos real quick. So we're going to download this. Just hit free download. You can see right there it's going to download the video, and then we're going to drag this onto my desktop real quick. That way when we go to edit it, I can show you guys how to edit, how I edit the videos, how to make the videos kind of viral, right? And stuff of that nature. So we'll just download maybe like 3 videos, just so I can show you the process. I'm going to pick a little bit longer videos, so I don't have to put so many clips together, right? Because if you get a couple 30-second clips, you're not going to have to do much editing, right? So I am going to look for a little bit longer clips. Let's see. Oh, right here, 59 seconds, perfect. So like right here, this is like a minute. Like you only need videos to be a couple minutes long, so this little clip right here could like be a big portion of your video, right? And so basically, you know, whatever niche you're in, like I said, search it up on these 2 websites. There's also other websites out there if you for some reason can't find anything in your niche, but honestly you really should be able to find stuff. It's not going to be too hard to do, right? So let me just drag this over and we'll download one more video, and then I will get to editing, show you how I would edit, and how I would actually make that video go viral, right? So we can get a ton of views and a lot of ad money, right? So make sure you guys keep watching so you can see that. We will just do this jump rope exercise right here and hit free download. And yeah, so this is really cool. Like I said, you probably, the chances are you probably haven't seen something like this on YouTube before, like the strategy. So I'm glad to be helping you guys out. So now that we've got those there, we actually want to head over to YouTube real quick, just to show you guys an example. So what I'm doing on YouTube is I'm just going to look up, let me hit out of that. I'm gonna look up like viral videos that we could kind of recreate. So like top fitness exercises, okay, because we just downloaded a bunch of fitness exercise videos. So you can see right here like 5 shoulder exercises or stuff like that. So like best beginner workout routine, stuff like that. So you just want to get an idea of the type of video you want to create, right? And actually, I would honestly recommend doing this before picking your clips. I did do that out of order, but it's not too much of a big deal, right? So like right here, 5 exercise methods that burn belly fat faster. So we downloaded 3 videos, so we could do 3 exercise methods that burn belly fat faster. This video got 2.2 million views, so this is a good video to piggyback off of, right? So what you're going to want to do, like I said, make the title very similar, so like 3 exercise methods that burn belly fat faster. And you can see right here, this video is getting nearly 200 views per hour, which is a ton, okay? So this video still gets a ton of views, so it's still working well. Download the vidIQ Chrome extension, or if you don't have Chrome, just get vidIQ, it's free. So you can download the exact tags they're using, so you would just hit that, copy those, paste them in when you are uploading the video. Also, for their description, I would copy this first part, and then where it says 5, just put 3, right? Okay, so you want to kind of replicate your video off of what's already working and piggyback off of what's already working, right? And that's how you're actually going to have these viral breakout videos. If you piggyback off of videos that are already working, within your first probably 10 videos, you probably will have a video go viral. And that's how I've started to grow my channel like crazy on here recently, is pretty much just piggybacking off of what's already working, putting my own twist on it, maybe giving a new strategy, stuff of that nature. So that is how you really grow on YouTube. We're going to jump into iMovie real quick. This is what I use to edit my videos. And I'm just going to show you guys real quick what I would kind of make it look like, so you guys get a brief understanding of that. If you guys are still watching, make sure you hit that like button. And like I said, if you guys want to be entered to win my YouTube passive income course, all you have to do is comment down below, and the winner will be announced tomorrow. I'm going to do this for every single video, so even if you don't win tomorrow on tomorrow's video, you can comment to be entered for the next day, right? So pretty cool stuff. So we will go in here. And then we are just going to import the videos real quick. You can do this with any video creator, whether you have Adobe, doesn't really matter. So let me find these real quick. I think they're called like Pexels. Let me find these. I kind of forget what I called them. Here we go. The 3 Pexels videos, perfect, all together. So like right here, we got basically like 2 minutes of content already. Just in the 2 minutes it took me to download them, and that was just kind of me searching around. So you can get stuff pretty fast. So first I would probably we can just start it out with something like this. We can do, and then so you can see right here, it looks like he's doing an ab exercise or something. So we could, I don't even know, I think that's hanging like knee raises or something. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring this out in front, make a little title, be like the 3, what is this doing? Don't know what just happened. Don't worry guys, I'll get it back. Okay, I don't know what happened there, but so 3 best exercises to burn fat, right? Because that was the title of the video. So we're just gonna put this out front, and then right here we could do like number one hanging knee raises, and you guys can either just put like royalty free music in the background, background, or you can actually just talk over it. You could be like, number one is hanging knee raises. These are great fat burner on the ab section. They do take a little bit of challenge, blah blah blah, and just talk about it, for as long as the video clip is. Or like I said, you can just put royalty free music in. Doesn't really matter. People are going to watch either way because they want to see all the different exercises so they can get strong and whatnot, right? Where did these videos go? This is all messed up. Sorry about this, guys. Let me download these again real quick. Go like this. I don't know what happened there for a second. Okay, they're back. So then what, it looks like he's doing kettle swings or something. I don't know. Some of you guys that are more into fitness probably are just laughing at what I'm saying right now, but it's all good. So we will put number two, kettle raises. I don't even know. I do work out, but I don't really know the names of the workouts, honestly. I just kind of follow the program I'm giving. So this is a really cool one. Honestly, like I said, if you just get some cool music in the background, like these are really high quality videos, people are going to keep watching. And so then right here, it looks like he's doing jump rope. So we could go number 3, titles here. So number 3, jump rope. And maybe you could put like 10 minutes. Okay. So this is basically what you would do, right? You would just make a compilation of all the videos you downloaded, and these are high quality videos, right? So this is good quality stuff, and you're not just taking other people's videos and re-uploading them. Like, you're actually kind of creating it, so you can put your own twists on it and stuff like that, which I do find to be more interesting than just downloading and re-uploading other people's videos just like from Creative Commons. Like this, you actually have some say in what's in the video, and you can edit it a bit, put your own music and stuff. So this is a little bit more fun, I would say, as well as with you controlling what's in there, you can make the video better, right? So that's something I like as well. But the main thing to take away from this, if you take anything away, is piggyback in your niche off of what is already working. Whether you make your own videos or you do this strategy or Creative Commons, the main way to grow on YouTube is to piggyback off of videos that are already working. And once you get a lot of views, you're going to be able to make a lot of money from ad revenue, okay? As well as you can put affiliate links in the description to be able to make even more money, especially when you don't have ad revenue coming in yet. So starting out, I would definitely look into ClickBank and get some affiliate links. But you guys can literally go download these exact videos I downloaded and copy the exact video I told you to copy. And this video would probably do well, right? This is high quality content. Maybe do a voiceover and make it a little bit more interesting, and you guys will be good to go. Like, this is super cool stuff, and I hope you guys do take advantage of this strategy I've shown you. So I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. It was a little bit longer, but I think it had to be so I could actually show you guys exactly how to do it. Like I said, if you guys did enjoy, I would appreciate it if you did drop a like, and if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe because I do post every single day. And I'll see you guys with another video tomorrow.